Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below, and you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. It's coming from my good friends over at ACEFAST. Amazing company, great products for your smartphones, iPads probably too. Chromebooks, you name it. They got a lot of good cables. Now this is going to be one for them all. Let's see, what do we have here? USB-C to USB-C TPE charging data cable set, 2 pieces. Oh, bonus. ACEFAST company. Yeah, this is a 2-pack special. Welcome to the club. Thank you guys for sending me these items. Go. I think this is for everything. Anything that needs a charge. Cameras. 2-pack special. Probably for this, yeah, Galaxy tablets, Chromebooks. Should bring my Chromebook out. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Got the Chrome out. Got this. Let's see if this fits that. Charge that up too. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really great company, leading the way in your smartphones, accessories. So they got everything you need. Oh, that fits perfect. Oops, I gotta stretch it out a little bit. A little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Just charging it. Right down there. It's a pretty long cable. I got my cell phone going, my iPod going, ready to rock and roll. So like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And like I said, this is a 2-pack USB-C to USB-C. And all you gotta do, have some fun. It's always good to have extra ones of these also too. You never know these days. So like I said, I got that one plugged in there, ready to roll. Really nice and long. Great cable though. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.